Hi and welcome to a very basic, simple but great video tutorial on how to record and edit your videos in a very efficient way. This is basically a request video from a friend. My friend basically wanted me to showcase how I'm making my videos, and that will be revealed. It is probably the most basic and simplest thing you could ever think of. Step 1. Click Start Record down in the OBS recording program. Step 2. Say your intro or whatever little tiny segment that you wanna say, like, "Hi everybody and big welcome to my YouTube channel." Step 3. Click Stop Record. Step 4. Open DaVinci Resolve or your editing program. Step 5. Bring out the folder where you have everything you've recorded so far. Grab your little segment. Here it is. So you bring that one down there, the one you've just currently recorded, then you ripple delete away the end part, and here you can go here and drag that one all the way so you cut away the endings. You can even do these very popular yay cuts. But wait a minute, look here. If we zoom out, notice that there are several different segments in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you remember, that's the amount of different segments this currently video I've already created. However, if I open my folder, you might notice that there's a segment here that is being recorded. That's what I'm actually doing right now. I am currently recording, and once I'm clicking stop record, I will grab that thing and pull it down into the DaVinci Resolve. But if you look over here, you're gonna notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or well, we probably shouldn't count this one because that is also currently being recorded. But if you look here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is because I'm often doing retakes. Also, very important thing, always save. Actually, you know what? Always save. Enter. One of my favorite hotkeys when I'm working on DaVinci Resolve is Control S. I'm usually clicking that whenever I do a single action, because if DaVinci Resolve for some reason crashes or the electricity dies in my neighborhood and everything just goes in a complete blackout, then I saved my workflow so far. But back to retakes. Let's say you're clicking the start record on your OBS or your recording program and you go your intro. "Hi everybody," and you say something you don't really want to have in the video. You simply just click stop recording. The recording session is over, and click start recording again. So you basically sit there and go start, say something, cut, start, say something, cut. What I really like about this method is that everything is organized in date. So whenever something is added to this, the newest will always appear up here in the front top place. So I will always know which is the current most newest editing thing I've recorded. So if I, for example, stop the recording and start a new one will be created here. So I always know which one to grab, which is this one. Not this one, because this is currently being recorded as I'm recording right now. So I will grab the newest, this one, pull it down, click escape, and I didn't do it on this one. So ripple delete, ripple delete, ripple delete. Life is so easy when you have ripple delete. Something I also really like about this is that it's very easy to just maintain the structure of the video. You will see how it looks like during the recording and the editing together. So if you look right there in the number over there, you can see that it's currently 3 minutes and 47 seconds and half a second as well. But I can also listen to it. You can see that I should turn off so you don't be disturbed by that. But if you want to hear it, use it in a very efficient way. There you hear it. But you can see that there's audio around there. I can listen to it, so I can lean back and observe that. You can see me up there in the corner. I can just lean back and observe what I've said so far, and I can say that didn't really turn out that great, and I can think about what I'm gonna say next depending on what sort of video I'm making. So as I'm observing this video, what do I want? Well, considering that this is a very simple, clean, basic tutorial, I should be kind of happy. So I've currently recorded, let's see, almost 4 minutes, and adding what I've currently say now, we're gonna reach somewhere around 5 minutes. And I speculate that this is a video that people won't really want to see a 10-minute video of. They will probably just enjoy a 5-minute video. So I can strategize and think about how long the video is gonna be, and so I can shorten. I can even remove things, like for example I could remove this thing here if I wanted to, if I felt that the video needs to be shorter and such, and I can plan what I'm gonna say next, so to say, in the next recording segment. And that's it. That's basically how I record a YouTube video. If you want to take a look on how many retakes I do, here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you can count them up there yourself. And here I will show you the entire timeline. And you can count these if you want to as well, to figure out how many retakes I normally do. Here you go, count away. Regardless, this is basically my basic method on how I record and edit my videos. There's lots more tricks to say. For example, I manipulate a lot of what's happening in here so that I don't need to sit and edit trick that into DaVinci Resolve. I have often pre-made movie or animation tricks that I play inside OBS, and I basically record what I play inside OBS and just drag and drop it straight into the DaVinci Resolve timeline. And in the case, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Take care, guys. I'll see you next time.